For us, designing a chess set was a natural evolution of the concept of hosting and creating a Rolls-Royce sense of occasion. The form was conceived to capture a gesture of movement. The leather-clad base rises gently upward from the centre, referencing the waft lines of our cars and appearing almost to float upon the narrow footprint. We're offering the board in various surface finishes, but my favourite one is using obsidian ice and blackwood. The blackwood has this fascinating subtle grain which you can see running in both directions depending on the light. Around the playing surface, we use the longitudinal grain, and within the playing field, we've angled the veneer at 45 degrees. From a functional perspective, we wanted to be able to stow the pieces within the chess set, and this meant that we could create a dramatic and theatrical opening. We looked at the profile of the top of each traditional chess piece and rotated them before extruding them downwards to a square base. It creates these contemporary monolithic forms with an element of sheer sculpture. We first explored having a mix of wood and metal, as well as leather and wood, which are very natural materials for us. But in the end, we settled on a ceramic coating with polished stainless steel, and this gave us the faceted precision that we were looking for. We strive with all of our products to make them effortless, so we've concealed magnets under the playing fields to make it easier to keep perfect alignment of the pieces on the board. As a little Easter egg, here we have 2 additional queens hidden in secret compartments, which you'll be able to use whenever you get the opportunity to promote a chess piece. With design, we are always thinking ahead and working strategically, which is of course what chess is all about.